guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be playing Flood Escape. So let's do this. I haven't posted in a long time. I'm just kidding. What is that? I don't know if you guys can heard it, but there was a lot of sword sounds. But it looks like there is a guide. Let's talk to this guy. Let's see what this guide has to say. Welcome to Flood Escape. How can I help you? I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna say goodbye because I already know how to play. And I don't have an idea for the game. So let's just play Flood Escape. It's just hard mode. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Oh, the emergency just came. Oh. Wait, you just go in? Oh no. Yeah, that was simple. That was not hard. I wish I had a speed coil, but I don't have a speed coil anymore because this is a new account. Wait, was that it? Wait, no, it's not. Somebody gonna press that button. Somebody already died. They press that button. I made it. But there's only 2 people. I just want to be by myself. How are we supposed to get that button? Uh-oh. I was gonna press that button. I'm gonna die. No! I'm doing nothing. I feel bad. I'm gonna press this blue button over here. Oh, I better make it fast, or else I'm gonna die. Wait, which way did I go? The water level is rising fast. That's the last one. What? Yes. Let's go. Let's see if I can buy some stuff from the shop. If I have enough. No particle. Extras. You need 6 wins. I only have 1. How do I only have 1 win? Bro, why can't I move? Why can't I move? What's happening? Okay, I can move now. I think we finished that level pretty quickly, even though it's hard mode. But we're gonna go to hard mode again. One player needs to escape. How did they already go there? We're just gonna wait here. Let's spectate them. Let's see what they're doing up to. Uh-oh. Oh, he died. There's 12 seconds left. He's probably gonna go to this one again. We would definitely win this one. I think. I'm most likely to die out of all of us. Bro. I don't have anything. I'm just walking normally and jumping normally. They did it so fast. I wish I was on my other account, to be honest. Next level. Can you guys let me do something at least? I thought you were gonna do that. Get this button over here. Somebody else died. The water's dying really fast. No! No way I just died like that. Come on, bro. That was so close. Let's do one more. Just one more. One more. If I make this one, I'm a pro. If I don't make this one, I'm a noob. Or if I die, I'm a noob. Yes. Already on the next one. Danger, 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 danger. Oh wait. I already feel the bug rising. Come on. Yes. I think this is the last one before we win. Or we need to press the button thing. No. No. Alright, on the last person left. Oh no, you don't come out. Come on! No! Alright guys, that will be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!